Okay guys, welcome back and let's continue with a new tutorial. Today you learn how to trigger a thank you SMS after payment via n8n and Twilio. So in this tutorial you will learn how to automatically send a thank you SMS message to customer right after they complete a payment. This workflow will capture successful Stripe payments, will extract customer phone number and payment details, and send a personalized SMS via Twilio. This is perfect for e-commerce, digital products, SAS, and agencies that want to increase customer engagement and retention. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the Stripe trigger when the payment succeeded. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever a payment succeeds. Configuration. On the event will be payment intent that succeeded, and the authentication will be with your Stripe AP credential. What it captured: the payment ID, the amount currency, the customer billing details, for example, name, phone, email. After that, you need the set node, the set customer data. His purpose is to extract and format the customer information needed for the SMS. On the configuration, you have on the name customer name with JSON charges data and billing details name. After that, you have also set the customer phone with these details: JSON charge data, billing details, phone, the amount paid with JSON amount received and JSON currency to uppercase. And we need this because Stripe return raw JSON. These steps make data easy to use in Twilio. And the last node, the Twilio node with the send SMS. You have his purpose is to send the thank you SMS message to the customer. Operation will be send from your Twilio phone number to JSON customer phone, and the message will be like this: hey JSON customer name, thank you for your payment of JSON amount paid, we appreciate your business, your company. That was all guys, a simple workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.